and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and I am really excited but also really kind of scared because today we are going to be unboxing my Beautylish Lucky Bag. I am so excited because I have seen unboxings of these year after year and I have such intense FOMO. I personally typically enjoy mystery boxes and mystery bags and things like that, especially from brands and companies that I really don't own a lot from, and Beautylish is one of those brands that I haven't purchased a lot from their website. Now, for those of you who are unfamiliar, Beautylish is an online retailer, so kind of like Sephora and Ulta, but it tends to cater to more high-end and luxury brands. And with the Beautylish Lucky Bags, the reason that I always felt like I was missing out was because by the time you see the unboxings, it's too late. These go on sale at the end of December, but they don't ship until mid-January. So this year, or last year rather, I was on the ball and I purchased one. Now these come in two sizes. You have just the regular Lucky Bag that retails for $75, but it is supposed to contain around $150 worth of product. I got the XL, which is $150. That's why I'm scared, because that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money, and I have high expectations and high hopes. So let's go ahead and let's cut this baby open and we will unbox it together. I'm actually gonna do this here where it's safer, because otherwise I will probably cut myself. And nobody wants that. All right. So, all right, pull back the paper. And look at the paper, it is so cute. It's got a little tag on it. Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year's custom that inspired us to create our own. The Shisa, I hope I said that correctly, on this year's Lucky Bag are known as guardians in the Okinawa, Japan. They are said to ward off evil spirits while keeping good spirits in. We hope these surprises inside invite you to leave the bad behind and take the good with you into 2022. Yeah, definitely my mantra for this year. I feel like that is very well suited. All right, got some packing bags, or packing paper rather, and then everything is contained in this. And I think part of the reason that I'm so nervous is that for $150, I guess I expected a larger box. But let's see what we have in here and whether or not I wasted my money. All right, so right off the bat, the first thing that I see in here is something that's actually been on my Ulta wish list. This is from Good Molecules. This is the Rose Water Daily Cleansing Gel. I've heard Chic Geek talk about this and how much she enjoys it. So this is something that I have honestly had my eye on anyway. Now, Good Molecules is definitely a more affordable type of brand. But this is what it looks like. It's in a nice glass bottle, good heavy weight to it. I'm quite excited to try this out. All right, what else do we have in here? All right, we have a hair product. This is from Auric. I always feel like I'm saying that wrong. This is the Maximisa Thickening Spray. I mean, I'll use it. My hair is plenty thick as it is, but I will use it. I will use it. So, okay, interesting. Let's see what else we have. Okay, this is a brand that I personally have no experience with. This is from the brand Hollyfrog Situational Skincare. I don't know what that means. This is the Halo AHA and BHA Evening Serum. I'm all about that. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, what a cute little package. Look at that. That's adorable. All right, so what is this said to do? Says, even healthy skin has its off days. As a resurfacing step in your skincare routine, Halo exfoliates dead skin cells and repairs and nourishes. It addresses uneven tone, okay, and texture, excess sebum, fine lines, and enlarged pores. Behind the scenes, it repairs skin cell damage and stimulates cell turnover for skin that not only looks renewed, but behaves healthier as well. Okay, I'm on board with that. That seems like something that could really benefit everybody, to be honest with you. So that will be interesting. I have a very expensive nail polish. This is from Smith & Colt. I have seen someone else talk about these, and I remember thinking they were crazy expensive. This is in the shade Bite Your Kiss, and it's just a really deep purple, kind of an eggplanty sort of purple. So there is that. I have a little Pedophore from Viseart. I've not been overly impressed with the Viseart formula, especially since everybody talks about it so highly. I like this color story though. This is a cute little colorway. Interesting, okay. And I think the packaging is just so adorable. So adorable. I do love that very much. All right, let's see what else is in here. I have a luxury lipstick from Wayne Goss. Don't own anything from Wayne Goss. This is in the shade Dahlia. Leads me to believe it's going to be a very dark shade. I need something to open this with. All right, back. Okay. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. Oh no, thank goodness. Okay. This is what the shade looks like. Typically when I think of Dahlia, I think of other shades that are just really kind of dark and vampy. This is just a really nice kind of corally peachy sort of shade. Definitely very pretty for summer. I don't really know how it's gonna sit with my personal skin tone. I don't typically do super well with corals, but I will give it a go. I do have a brush, and I'm excited because the brushes are so pretty on Beautylish. They're so expensive. This is from a brand that I have never heard of. Oh no, this is a Sonia G brush. Okay, and it's a good shape. I'm very excited about this. I know this seems kind of silly to be excited about, but I'm very excited about this. Okay. 3 more things in this bag. 3 more things. Okay, I will save that for last. We have from Hindash, we have the Hero Liner, which if this is the liquid eyeliner pen, I am excited for that because I have heard good things about it. So let's see if that's what this is. Come on, out we go. Ooh, it's really heavily weighted. I kind of like that. Yes, I am very excited for this. I've heard really, really, really good things about this eyeliner pen. And to be honest, the ones that I've been using have been a bit of a struggle because they've been open for a while. So this is quite timely, to be honest. I have another Wayne Goss product. This is a lip pencil in the shade Vintage Pink. I have an idea of what that could be. See, so this is what the packaging itself looks like. Not exactly the pink that I was envisioning. It is a sharpenable pencil. And this is what it looks like. Definitely kind of a caramely sort of color, so it surprises me that it's called Vintage Pink. I mean, it's not bad or anything, it's just a surprise. I hope that makes sense. And then the last thing in the box is something that I do not already own, and to be honest, really wasn't something that I was planning on picking up, but I'm not mad about getting it. This is the Natasha Denona Trichrome palette. And the reason that this was not on my radar is because I've got a ton of indie shadows. that are multi-chromes and duochromes, so this just was not terribly exciting for me. But I'm not mad about having it, to be perfectly honest with you. I'm not mad about having it at all. So this will be kind of fun to play with. I'll be honest, the top row, as much as I love, ooh, look at my big old mess on my table. As much as I love brown, I cannot think properly, greens, these really like neon-y greens up here really don't excite me too terribly much, but the rows of purple and peach and everything, I am okay with that. So, interesting. All right. I don't know the totals on anything. Hopefully I will be able to get those, editing Ashley will be able to get those added up and displayed for you here on the screen. But then the question becomes, was it worth the money? And I don't know. I don't know. I am well aware that this right here, this trichrome palette itself retails for $129. I bought the whole box for $150. So I understand that that means that everything else, that the box has paid for itself. However, I don't feel the excitement that I was hoping to feel when opening this. And I know that sounds bizarre because I got some good stuff. Like I said, this Hindash eyeliner I'm very, very excited for. I think, oh, and the Sonia G brush I'm definitely very, very, very excited for. I also hope that I don't fall in 100% love with it because I will feel compelled to buy more. But yeah, I have to say at the moment, I'm feeling kind of meh about this box, which makes me so sad because I was so excited for it. What do you think? Do you think that I wasted my money, or do you think that there are some serious gems in here that I'm just not seeing at the moment? I would really, really, really love to know your opinion on this Beautylish XL Lucky Bag. Please let me know in the comments below. As always, everything that I am wearing will be linked in the description box below, and if you have not yet subscribed, I hope that you will consider doing so. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I hope that you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye.